Yo gamers, ASUS just dropped their new ROG gaming lineup for 2024 and we are taking Zephyrus G16, Strix, 16 and 18 and even G22 gaming desktop. These beasts are packed with the latest Intel Core NVIDIA RTX 4000 series processor and graphic card. So you know they have gone shut any game you throw at them. And specs: Intel Core processor, NVIDIA RTX 4000 series graphic card, up to 32GB DDR5 RAM and up to 2TB PCI Gen 4 SSD storage. Price: Zephyrus G16 start at Rs 1,89,990, Strix SCR16 start at Rs 2,49,990 and Strix SCR18 start at Rs 3,39,990. G22 Desktop start at Rs 2,29,990. These ROG machines are next level. If you are looking for a gaming upgrade, you gotta check this out. Subscribe for more tech videos, hit the notification bell to stay information. I hope this helps.